Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we'll show you how to find your Crypto.com wallet address. So the wallet address is the address that you will use to top up your Crypto.com wallet. So if you wish to transfer, say, Bitcoin or Ethereum or something, you will need to grab the address from here for a specific coin that you will, of course, paste on the other exchange, and then top up your balance in here on Crypto.com. So guys, let us firstly go into our settings, and from the settings you click on Crypto Wallet. And in here guys, it's actually very simple. So let's say, for example, you wish to get some coin from the other exchange. You just press on transfer, then you go deposit, and now you choose which coin you wish to deposit from the different crypto exchange of yours, right? So for example, let's say we want to do Ethereum. You click on it, then you select the network. This is very important. I will choose ERC20, and now it will load and it will give us the address. Okay, and now as you can see, our address is here, and this is pretty much our wallet's address for our Ethereum under the ERC20 network. So you just press on copy like this. As you can see, wallet's address copied. Also, it, as you can see, shows us the estimated arrival time. So about 8 minutes to complete your transfer, and pretty much you can just now go into your other wallet, paste this address, and transfer to your Crypto.com. So that's how it's done. Enjoy guys, if this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, helps us a lot, and I will see you in the next one.